Yung
Tanungin mo
family,
mga tao.
challenging ang family sa akin.
Yeah.
Very challenging yan. Kasi nga, we have to rebuild everything. We have to reorient ourselves with the case again, the way that it should be treated. Kasi nga, parang, ang pakiramdam ko, there were some people who should have been charged but were not charged. There were offenses that should have been included but were not included. There was no pecuniary damage to the government in the theory of the case. Mali. It should not be treated that way. It should be... Kaya nga ang problema namin talaga dito sa ombudsman na inabutan ko, ang ginagawa ng fact-finding at ng preliminary investigation, maghihiwalay na maghihiwalay, compartmentalized. By the time that they're finished with the PI, papasa nila sa prosecution yung kaso. Hindi pa nalalaman ng prosecution yung pinanggalingan ng kaso. Wala silang exposure. And then, pagka nakita ng prosecution na mahina yung kaso o may problema, kailangan iakit na naman sa ombudsman. Pagka yung ombudsman naman ang umakit doon, sa dami ng ginagawa, ang tagal bago bumaba na naman. So nagkakaroon talaga ng delay. Hindi na pwede yan. It's the thing of the past. Ano yan? We really have to, sabi ko nga, the sense of urgency has to be instilled in everybody.